You're 3 hours into a complex refactoring session. The AI knows your schema, remembers your architecture decisions, everything's flowing. Then suddenly, it starts suggesting nonsense, repeating questions you already answered, hallucinating imports. What happened? You ran out of context window. Everything the AI learned just got silently truncated. Gone. This is the biggest problem in AI assisted development until now. What's up? I'm Pedro. Today on AI Native Dev, we're tackling context compaction, the engineering solution to context window exhaustion. VS Code 1.110 shipped some genuinely impressive features here, and I'm going to break down not just what they did, but the deeper engineering and how you should strategize around it. Every LLM has a context window, the total text it can process at once. In a typical session, your system instructions, conversation history, file contents, and tool outputs accumulate fast. Within 20 exchanges, you're at 80% capacity. When it fills up, the oldest context gets silently dropped, no warning. The AI stops remembering your earlier decisions, catastrophic for complex work. But VS Code 1.110 ships three solutions. First, the compact command with custom instructions. This allows you to direct exactly what the AI should remember. You can tell it, focus on database schema decisions and API contracts. You're directing the compaction process. This is huge. Without custom instructions, it's generic summarization that loses nuance. You preserve exactly what matters. Second, automatic compaction at 80%. Third, session memory for plans. Your multi-step plan structure survives intact. How does it work under the hood? Naive approaches just summarize. Smart implementations use structured compaction. They extract and categorize. Decisions made, artifacts created, constraints established. Each gets tagged separately. The compacted context is reconstructed, prioritizing these high-value blocks over exploratory dialogue. This is neuro-symbolic. Cursor uses context pinning. Claude Code takes a hierarchical memory approach. All three treat context as an engineering problem. 5 strategies. 1. Front-load critical context. 2. Use explicit decision markers like the keyword decision. 3. Compact proactively before hitting the limit. 4. Use persistent context files like .cursorrules or claude.md. 5. Separate your sessions by concern. Don't mix database design with front-end styling. Coherent threads reduce pressure. The context window isn't a limitation to fight, it's a resource to engineer. This is the bridge to reliable engineering partners. Subscribe for more deep dives. Drop your strategies in the comments. See you in the next one.